Welcome back. Your weekly sight words. I am your teacher, Miss Thee. Welcome back. I will be teaching another lesson on weekly sight words. Are you guys ready? Let's go get started. Listen and learn the sight words with Miss Thee. I am going to say it. You're going to listen and then you'll repeat it. Are you ready? Like. Can you say like with Miss Thee? Good job. R. Can you say R with Miss Thee? Good job. B. Say B with Miss Thee. Was. Say was with Miss Thee. Good job. Yes. Can you say yes with Miss Thee? Yes. Now, I want to put all of the words in a sentence. Are you ready? Let's go. I like burgers. They are ready. I want to be a teacher. She was at the park. Yes, I like ice cream. Now, I want to see if you can recognize the sight words on the first try. Are you ready? Like. R. B. Was. Yes. You guys did amazing with the weekly sight words. I'll see you next week in the next video. Bye, guys.